So guys, finally we are getting to see the specifications of OnePlus 9 series. Obviously I had made a video on it and I have put it a link in the description below so that you can go and see and increase my views. So guys, let's start our today's video. But guys, before starting this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any sort of update by me or by my channel. So yes guys, let's start our today's video. Well, actually in OnePlus 9 series you will get to see three models: OnePlus 9, OnePlus 9 Pro, and the third model is OnePlus 9R. Obviously OnePlus 9R is not still seen, and R actually stands for regular. So what is the reason behind putting that R in this series? I can tell. So now let's talk about its software. Actually you will get to see Oxygen OS, latest version of Oxygen OS based on the Android 11. Obviously you will get to see Android 12 very soon. Let's talk about this hardware. Actually you will get to see Snapdragon 888 in OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. You might not see Snapdragon 888 in OnePlus 9R because R is quite different, and you may get to see OnePlus 9R in budget smartphone, in the sector of budget smartphone. So now let's talk about its display. Actually you will get to see 6.78 inch Fluid AMOLED display, which is obviously based on 120 Hz. It means that display is actually clocked on 120 Hz. So obviously you will get to see one gaming setup of display. And let's talk about OnePlus 9 display. Actually you will get to see 6.55 inch Fluid AMOLED display, which is also clocked on 120 Hz. Well, in the storage variant you may get to see 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM and 12GB RAM, 256GB ROM. USB Type-C 3.1, and obviously you won't get to see any 3.5mm jack setup because it is the fashion of any flagship phone. Well, in the battery case you will get to see, in the case of battery you will get to see 4500 mAh lithium polymer battery, and in that you might get to see 65 watt fast charging. It is not clear whether you will get to see in OnePlus 9, OnePlus 9 Pro or in OnePlus 9R, but you may get to see in OnePlus 9 Pro you may get to see 120 watt fast charging. My gut feeling. Well, for the camera I am so much excited because I am going to explain why I am so much excited. Let's first talk about OnePlus 9. Actually you will get to see triple rear camera setup. Actually you will get to see 48 megapixel on main sensor, 50 megapixel on PDAF sensor and 2 megapixel on depth sensor. Well, 2 megapixel. I don't know why 2 megapixel. Well, in case of selfie camera you will get to see 16 megapixel on selfie camera. And now let's talk about OnePlus 9 Pro. Actually you will get to see quad rear camera setup. It is still not clear, but you may get to see 64 plus 16 plus 12 plus 2 camera setup, lenses. And now I am going to explain why I am so much excited for these cameras. Actually you will get to see Sony IMX789, which is the latest sensor from the Sony, and actually it is the successor of Sony IMX689. Actually Sony IMX689 was used in Oppo Find X2 Pro, and Sony IMX789 is going to be used in OnePlus 9 series, and obviously it will be also used in Oppo Find X3 series. According to the famous Leakster digital chat station, Sony IMX789 is being developed under Oppo and Sony. And obviously according to Oppo, actually you will get to see DOL SDR technology. Well, if you are not knowing about DOL SDR technology, then it is actually a type of technology which takes picture or image or any kind of display stuff simultaneously in different exposure, and by combining all those different exposure one image, you will get to see a very good image quality, which creates a lot difference between the previous image quality of Sony IMX any other sensor and now Sony IMX789. Well, that is not only the matter. Sony IMX789 can process the video, or simply we can say record the video at 4K at 120 fps and supports real-time video processing, SDR video processing actually. So guys, these were some of the stuffs about Sony IMX789 and OnePlus 9 series. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please make sure to hit the like button and also do subscribe my channel. Share this with your friends and families if you think that this video will be helpful for them as well, or any informative type. And guys, do not forget to comment any sort of good or bad review that you want to give to me, then please let me know in the comment section. And yes guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.